Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Here I talk about different print-on-demand topics, about print-on-demand business. I have some design ideas videos and also some how-to videos, and today will be one of this kind of videos. Today we'll discuss how Redbubble Pay You and how Redbubble payment process is settled. And I will answer the main questions about Redbubble payment system that is usually not so easy for beginners on this platform, but it works quite good, and I think that after watching this video you will not have any questions about your payments and when you should wait for your profit. Redbubble, of course, is a great platform for pod business, especially for artists, because from my experience here are good sales from very unique designs, very pop culture oriented designs, and if you can create something really interesting and really good looking, you should definitely use this platform, because it's an easy platform, and you can get your sales really fast, and if you will create some good designs, you can earn a good amount of money every month. So how can you get your profit, your royalties, after you will upload some designs and get some sales? You can have two options, two main methods. You can be paid to your PayPal account, or you can be paid to your bank account. If with PayPal it is more simple, you should just type your email in the section, and you will get your payments. With bank accounts it's a little bit more difficult, but not very much too. As you can see, I also use PayPal for my payments, but some time ago I also used to have my payments to bank account, and to be honest, you don't need to have a traditional bank account. You can also register your Payoneer account, and you will have all information that is needed for Redbubble payments in your Payoneer account info. You can also watch a video about Payoneer registration on my channel, and you can register on this payment platform, payment system, and it is a second option to get your payments. And if you will register with my link, you will also have 25 bonus dollars if you will use Payoneer. Okay, with payment methods there are no any difficulties. You can also choose not only PayPal or Payoneer, you can use your bank account, and it is an option too, but the main popularity is for PayPal and Payoneer services. The next question about payments is when you get paid. And if you have some sales, usually from one sale you can earn a couple of dollars. Most of sales will be from $1 to $5, but if you, for example, will have only one sale or a couple of sales in a month, it is not guaranteed that you will be paid in this month. That's because you need to reach $20 threshold, and in a month when you will get your $20 from royalties, you will be paid. Yes, of course, if you will not earn so much in 1 month, it will be accumulated for a second month, and so on. And the month when you will have $20 on your Payoneer account, your payment will be processed, and it will be on 15th day of the month, nearly 15th day of the month, because it can be a couple of days after this date. From my experience, I don't remember that Redbubble can pay you prior to this date, but usually it can be processed, or even not processed, but usually you can have money on your account on 70th or 80th of the month, and especially if the 15th day of the month falls on weekend, your payment will be processed after it, and you can get your money in a couple of days after it. As you can see, bank payments may take up to 7 business days to process, but usually it will be faster, so usually you will don't have any problems. You just need to wait some days after 15th of each month, and your royalties will be on your account, bank account or PayPal account. And it is really important that in your payments there will be orders that was shipped by 15th day of the month. So if, for example, you will have a sale on 14th of, for example, January, if the product isn't shipped on 15th, you will not get paid for this product, or in other words, this payment will be in next month, of course, if you will reach this $20 on your account. And that's why sometimes in your dashboard you can look on your sales and wait for more or less money, but the amount of money that you will really have on your account in your payment can vary. Usually it's not a big difference, but you should also understand that. And of course, you will not be paid for orders that are cancelled before shipping. Sometimes you can have a letter that you made a sale on a Redbubble platform, and soon you will be paid for this sale. But if a customer will cancel it before shipping, you will not be paid for this order, so usually you will get also a second email from Redbubble that your product is manufactured and shipped, and amount of your royalty will be added to your payment in the next month. And after this second letter, you can be waiting for this royalty in next payment, in the payment of the next month. So it was the main things about Redbubble payment system and how this platform pays you, where it pays you, and especially when it will pay your amount of money, your profits. Yeah, sometimes it can be some issues with payments, some errors, but from my experience with Redbubble, it happened really rare. If you have some additional questions about Redbubble payments or about how Redbubble pays you, post them in comments and I will try to help you with that. So for this video it's all. Subscribe to this channel. Here you can find a lot of useful information about different print-on-demand platforms, how this business works, some tips, and I wish you good sales. See you soon. Bye.